Welcome to our torus-shaped Earth, a delicious cosmic donut. Ever wondered how this shape challenges our traditional understanding of Earth's shape and its implications? Yes, you got that right. A donut. Not your regular sweet delight topped with frosting and sprinkles, but an epic cosmic entity twirling in the incomprehensible vastness of space. On the surface, this may look like an outrageous hypothesis, but bear with me. Could it be possible that our total understanding of Earth's shape has been, let's say, slightly incomplete? This unconventional notion may trigger chuckles, but let's even out the playing field. We're all acquainted with the flat Earth theory and the round Earth theory, but is there another geometric? Could it be that Earth belongs to a category more akin to a gargantuan cosmic donut, an iconic central void included? Visualize a torus-shaped Earth. You might now be asking, how scientifically plausible is this concept? From a purely theoretical perspective, a donut-shaped planet is viable. Picture a celestial body with enough mass to collapse under its own gravitational pull, but is spinning so vigorously that it prevents it from forming a sphere. Instead, it forms a bulge around the equator, gradually molding into torus if the spin is fast enough. Hence, the idea of a torus-shaped Earth is not completely devoid of scientific basis. Now, doesn't that sprinkle an additional layer of intrigue? Fasten your seatbelts, folks. We are about to dive deep into this fascinating astronomical enigma. Living on a torus-shaped Earth is quite an adventure. Let's explore why our Earth is shaped like a torus and how gravity and visibility work in our toroidal world. Fasten your seatbelts, folks, because we're about to unfold a concept that challenges our understanding of physics. Imagine living on a celestial donut spinning in the vast expanse of space. Sounds exotic, right? Now let's add some scientific reasoning to this peculiar theory. We will first discuss gravity in this toroidal world. In a torus-shaped Earth, gravity wouldn't pull everything down towards a central point as usually perceive it. Instead, it would pull everything towards the donut's thicker, central part. We would feel a sideways draw rather than a downward pull. It's akin to a cosmic carousel, where instead of a traditional up and down motion, we're going round and round. Next, let's consider visibility. In a toroidal world, we could potentially see the other side of the planet by merely looking up into the sky. This would occur as light would travel in curved paths, courtesy of the gravitational pull of the torus, the light around the hole and allowing us to see across the hole when we gaze upwards. You might be wondering, if the Earth is a donut, where's the hole? Conventionally, the hole would be right in the center, but as we would be living on the inner surface of the donut, the hole would appear not as a hole, but as the sky. Quite a fascinating perspective to ponder, right? However, let's not forget that all the actual scientific evidence still a spherical Earth. Our donut theory is just an imaginative speculation, but isn't there room for a dash of scientific speculation in a cosmos teeming with infinite possibilities? Now let's dive into the donut hole and explore some credible sources supporting our torus-shaped Earth. Picture for a moment a universe where the torus or donut-shaped theory of Earth is a recognized concept. Our first legitimate source is an advanced theoretical physics textbook from the 1960s. According to the theories discussed in this book, Earth's mass could be distributed in such a way that it forms a torus shape, with a hollow center. Switching over to a more recent source, a research article published in a respected scientific journal in 2021, written by an individual who has spent years studying the Earth's geology. The article puts forth the idea of a torus-shaped Earth based on the anomalies in Earth's gravitational field. As evidence, the author shares detailed geophysical data and mathematical models. Another remarkable is provided by the distinguished astrophysicist, Dr. Emma Pranker. In her groundbreaking research paper, she theorizes that the Earth is donut-shaped due to the unusual electromagnetic field lines recorded by satellites. She further posits that these lines imply a torus-like shape rather than a spherical one. The acclaimed children's book, The Day Earth Became a Donut, while fictional, is based on scientific theories about possible planet shapes. Lastly, we have a declassified NASA document that discusses the possibility of celestial bodies existing in non-spherical shapes under certain conditions. This provides an interesting perspective on our moon and its unique features, suggesting an explanation for the moon's uneven gravitational pull. Remember, these facts are as compelling as any scientific theory yet to be proven. You might be thinking, if Earth is a torus, where's the hole? Well, let's explore the unique features of our toroidal Earth. As we delve into this fantastical concept, we must also entertain the scientific implications. Picture for a moment a world where physics meet with unconventional geography. If the Earth was indeed donut-shaped, our reality would considerably differ from what we know today. For starters, the nature of gravity would drastically alter. It wouldn't simply pull us downwards, it would also exert a lateral force, causing us all to experience a constant sensation of leaning into a curve, akin to motorcyclists' an endless racetrack. The resulting alterations in biomechanics and human spatial orientation would be consequential. Furthermore, the distribution of sunlight would be subject to a unique paradigm. A torus-shaped planet would lead to complex day-night cycles. The inner surface of the hole, housed by perpetual darkness, would be an anomaly in our understanding of climate and weather patterns. Concurrently, the donut hole would cast a cyclical shadow at noon, ushering in an unprecedented daytime twilight. This would dramatically affect circadian rhythms, agricultural cycles, and solar power generation. As for the hole's location, it could hypothetically be at the north or south poles, nestled within the Bermuda Triangle, or camouflaged as a significant geographic feature such as a sinkhole. Imagine the geological and navigational implications of such a structure at the center of our planet. The Earth, as per our current scientific understanding, isn't a massive donut. These musings, though fascinating, are grounded in fiction rather than scientific evidence. They offer an intriguing thought experiment that challenges our comprehension of the world. So if you're looking the hole in the torus Earth theory, it's not hidden in complex scientific facts. Reality, it seems, is usually less bewildering and less sugar-coated than fiction. But remember, there's always room for a good donut in any scientific debate. Let's roll back and glaze over the highlights of our journey on our deliciously unique torus-shaped Earth. We initiated our venture with a question that's been circulating in the minds of many. Is our Earth a flat pancake or a colossal donut? And indeed, we dissected that theory. We ventured into a whole new world, one where gravity is intriguingly distorted, where the sun orbits us in a hypnotic daily ballet, and where we're all residing on the inner rim of a cosmic donut. We then included alternative theories that provoked laughter. Remember when we suggested that NASA covertly altered all globes to donut shapes in the late 90s? Or the instance we proposed that the hole in the ozone layer was literally a hole through the center of the Earth? Afterwards, we delved deeper into the donut dilemma. We embarked on an extensive exploration of the scientific reasoning behind a torus-shaped Earth. We discussed the fascinating behavior of gravity in such a world, pulling everything to the center and forming a mountainous ring around the hole. We examined the intriguing way light would bend, resulting in a perpetual sunset. Let's not overlook the moment we uncovered that the Bermuda Triangle and Dragon's Triangle are actually the two holes of our donut Earth. Of course, all of this was delivered with a substantial side of humor and a pinch of irony. We are aware that the Earth isn't shaped like a donut. Our goal was to engage with theories, to challenge ideas, and to stimulate your intellect. We hope we achieve that, and that you relish this journey around our whimsical, theoretical, donut-shaped world. And there you have it, folks. The Earth may not be a giant donut, but isn't it enthralling to envision a universe filled with cosmic confectionery?